very stage where we have produced the great captains, great leaders, great scientists, great teachers. They spent 12 years in this very premises. I would like to have a very big hand clap for all these 46 years of captains for games and sports. And every year, the captain role takes up a higher bench, higher responsibility to take his team, to take his schoolmates to the different levels year by year, and we are making a record and we are making a mark in the society, both in the education and in the sports, academics and sports. I take this opportunity to introduce the games captain for the academic year 2017-2018, who is sincere, honest, shows great integrity towards the school, good runner, an athlete, good player, a good cricketer, and winner of many games, zonal participant and winner, and always speaks in English and shows great integrity, loves his friends, respects his teacher, and great adoration for his school. He is none other than one important aspect. Spent 12 years, this is the 12th year in St. John's, from low nursery to standard 10th. And he is Y. Serenkatri Tenji, the games captain of the academic year 2017-2018. The very important year is the sports flag is designed and it's ready even for the sports captain to take the flag high to have many more achievements at the district level and state level and national level too. The sports flag is designed with the 4 house colors representing red house, green house, sky blue house and snuff house, with the olive leaves and the Bible and the candle, which is the school emblem, St. John's English Medium School. We are at the fag end to install the school captain. I tell you, to be the school captain, it's a dream. School captain is next to the head of the institution, who represent all important events of the school, head of the 4 houses, head of the sports captain. And I'm going to introduce the school captain for the academic year 2017-2018. He spent his 11 years, and this is 12th year at St. John's in this very premises, from his LKG to standard 10th now. And he is the junior team championship captain, and he is the dancer and always the first prize winner from standard 1 to standard 9. He loves his friends, teachers have high integrity towards the school, responsible, honest, sincere, very adventurous, zeal to learn. At his 13 years of age, without even a single blink of the eye, jumped from 5,500 feet of Himalayan range with a paragliding and adventurous spirit you can see in the school captain. And he loves his school, and he is none other than the school captain of the year 2017-2018 is J. Sahib.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for the captain's pledge.
We'd like to be back. Round of applause. Big applause for school captains, group captains, house leaders, seniors. Well done. And all the class leaders, assistant class leaders, house leaders, school captain and base captain, your responsibilities start from now on, from this very moment on. So be responsible, be a good model for the rest of the school. All the best. Actually, this brings us to the close of the investiture ceremony, and I appreciate all the students. Wonderfully you have cooperated. Wonderfully you have said. Still a big hand for yourself. Wonderful senior. Very nice. Students, your standard